printable for the pancake box is from AmericanGirlIdeas.com, and the craft video on how to make the pancakes and the pancake mix is from the YouTube channel Totally Rudy, and we have changed the pancake mix a little bit by using white hammer beats instead of flour or pancake mix, and there will be a link to both in the description.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to
Dolly!
So, today it is Shrove Tuesday, which is also known as Pancake Day. We'd like to wish you all a very happy Pancake Day. Now this video is going to go up quite a while after. I think it's the 28th of February. I think I'm correct, yeah. We're going to be doing lots of things today to celebrate Pancake Day, and we're probably going to call it Pancake Day a little bit more than Shrove Tuesday. So, there are 3 things we're going to be doing today, and they are drawing pancakes with very funny faces, writing a pancake chart, and having a pancake each with lots of delicious toppings. Let's get started with drawing pancakes with funny faces. Let's get all of our drawing supplies, and then we'll be right back.
Sorry for the bad audio in the last bit. We're not quite sure what happened, but hopefully it's better now. So, we've got out all of our drawing supplies now, and I've swapped places with Holly because I'm sharing a box of crayons, you see, and Holly's got her felt pens. So now we're going to show you our equipment. So me and Valencia have got a box of crayons, and then we've each got paper and a pencil. I've got a sheet of paper, a pencil, and my felt pens. I've each got pencil and paper, and we've both got these crayons which we are sharing. Wait, no, I mean colouring. So, I'm going to go first, and I'm going to start by drawing my face. So, let's circle, and what else should I do? Here's my pancake face, everyone. And yes, I know it looks quite funny. I think all of our faces are going to look quite funny. And I'm not a great drawer, but I'm pretty impressed. Now I'm going to get the crayons and colour it in. Right, so let's start by doing the starting round here. Yay! I finished drawing my pancake face, and I love it so much. Now it's my turn to draw my pancake face. Let's start by drawing the outline of a circle. I'm not very keen on mine. I think I'm going to rub the mouth out and try again. Yay! I love my pancake face, although it's not really very good. I feel like it still doesn't look quite right, but I quite like it. Now I'm going to use all these crayons, and I'm going to colour it in. Yippee! Mine's all coloured in, and it looks much better now. I love it so much. Right, now it's my turn to get drawing. I've drawn my face now, and it looks super good. Now I'm going to use my yellow and pink felt pens to colour it in. Mine looks absolutely beautiful. I really like it, although I think the pencil smashed with the felt pen, but that's okay. Now it's my turn to get drawing. Oh no, I really don't know where to start. Now, I decided to do a sad pancake. I don't know why, but I just don't know what I'll do. Anyway, let's colour it in with the colouring pencils now. Who likes my pancake? I know it doesn't look great and it's probably a bit dodgy, but you know, I like it. So, now it's my turn to draw my pancake. I'm so excited. Here's my pancake. It's nice, big, smiley, and I love it. Now I'm going to start colouring it in. I love my pancake drawing so much. We wish you all a happy pancake day. Many things to do around the topic of pancakes. When you cook the pancakes, they taste so delicious. And there are so many toppings which taste amazing. Like chocolate spread. Like apple sauce. Like ice cream. Like berries. All the wonderful things on Pancake Day. We wish you all a very happy Pancake Day. Yeah! I really hope you enjoyed our song, guys. So, now it's time for the best part of all, to eat pancakes. So, Sia's going to be mixing up the pancake mix with the water, and Aria's going to be frying them, and then we'll each get to decorate our own. I'm just going to pour the pancake mix and some water into this bowl. Now it's all in, and it's time to whisk. This is so hard to mix. It's all mixed and ready for Aria to fry the pancakes. Oh guys, the first one's in. It's going great. So this one's finished and I've got another one in. So I guess I'll just do a couple more and then I'll tell you, I'll turn the camera on once we're done. Once I've done a couple more. Now, it's just one more to go, everyone. Yay! All of the pancakes are cooked. Now it's time for everyone to choose toppings. I'm going to put strawberry jam on mine. Let's spread some on. Get some jam and spread it on the pancake. This looks yummy. I'm going to put strawberries and I'm going to scoop some chocolate ice cream on. Let's put the ice cream on first. Some ice cream, pancake, some ice cream. Put it on my pancake. That's enough ice cream. So I'm now going to cut the stalks off the strawberries. There we go. Like a delicious pancake. I'm going to have chocolate spread and strawberries. Let's put the chocolate spread on first. Chocolate spread and spread it. There we go. Now let's cut the stalks off these strawberries. Yum, yum. I'm sorry there's a lot of background noise. It's kind of rainy outside. Well, a lot. So, I'm going to have berries on my pancake. Let's put them on. Shake, 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 shake. Lovely. So, I'm having banana, and now I'm going to slice it. You probably can't see, but I've already peeled it. Now, it's time to eat our pancakes. Let's try some. Ooh, that is good. Yummy. Try some more. Yum, yum. Now it's my turn. Get all messy in it. Oh, let's try some more. It's a bit messy, this pancake. I think I put too many strawberries on it. Do you agree with me? Right then, I think so. Some more. That's yummy. Oh my, I think I've got the same problem as Holly. A lot of strawberries. Anyway, I want to try these pancakes so badly. Oh, now that is just delicious. Best pancake ever. Ah, that is yummy. Yay! Now it's my turn.
I got berries on my pancake. I'm so looking forward to it. Let's try some. Oh, now that is good. Yes. Oh, just a little bit more. I can do this. Ah, now that is delicious.
So, last but not least, it's my turn. So, let's give it a try. Oh, yum yum. Delicious. Oh my, sounds like that rain's coming down a lot. Aha, delicious. So, those pancakes were absolutely delicious. Also, kind of sorry Starlight got a hand in it and that. It's a little bit difficult sometimes. So, we were a little bit out of time today, so sorry this video is quite rushed, although we still really enjoyed it and we hope you do too, or did too. So, we'll be very grateful if you could like and subscribe, and also check out our other videos for lots more Dolly fun. We'll see you next time on Dolly Dreams. Bye!